A massive tragedy unfolded at TVK Chief Vijay's rally yesterday, and this happened in Tamil Nadu's Karur district. 39 people, including 10 children and 16 women, have been killed in this stampede. Officials say 46 people have also been injured. A senior police officer estimated that at least 30,000 people had gathered at this venue where Vijay was scheduled to speak after his earlier rally in Namakkal. The permission was given only for 10,000 people is what we understand. Now, actor Vijay has reacted to the stampede and he has expressed his condolences to the families of the victims. Apart from this, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister also is in Karur today, along with his son and Udayanidhi and Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Udayanidhi Stalin. They are meeting with the families of the victims. 10 lakh compensation has also been announced. Edappadi Palaniswamy, who is the General Secretary and AIDMK Chief and also the Leader of Opposition in Tamil Nadu, he is also in Karur talking to the victims. A one-member panel headed by retired High Court Judge Justice Aruna Jagdishan has been formed by the state government to probe this matter. At least 39 people, including 10 children, tragically have lost their lives in this stampede. Several questions there. Let's first take a look at some reactions. We have some breaking news now. Udayanidhi Stalin, the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who is in Karur today, he has said that loss of life is not justified, and he has said that women and children have been affected the most. Member of the 39 people who have lost their lives, 10 are children. It's a tragic incident that happened at Karur yesterday at TVK rally. Vijay was addressing this rally. Udayanidhi Stalin has addressed media personnel there and he has called Karur tragedy heartbreaking. He has said that the loss of life is not justified. Well, at the center of this tragedy is also the tragedy of 39 lives lost. Politics is playing out on this. Let's take a look at political reactions which have followed since last night.
என்னிடத்திலே தொடர்பு கொண்டு மிகுந்த வேதனையோடு பேசிட்டு இருந்தார். அதுபிறகு அவரே நேற்று நள்ளிரவு 1 மணிக்கு வந்து பாதிக்கப்பட்டவர்களுக்கு தன்னுடைய ஆறுதலை சொல்லியிருக்கிறாரு. பல்வேறு கருத்துக்களை புள்ளி விவரங்கள் கொண்டு சொல்லியிருக்கிறாரு. இறந்த 39 பேரில் பெண்கள் 17 பேர், ஆண்கள் 13 பேர், குழந்தைங்க 9 பேர் இறந்திருக்கிறாங்க. ஆறுதல் சொன்னாலும் ஒரு தவிர்க்க முடியாத அவங்களுக்கு எந்த விதமான அவங்களுடைய இழப்புக்கு அளவிலே கிடையாது. அவ்வளோ பெரிய இழப்பு இது.
இந்த பொதுக்கூட்டம் ஆரம்பித்து கொஞ்ச நேரத்திலேயே சிறிது நேரத்திலேயே இந்த தள்ளுமுள்ளு ஏற்பட்டு அப்பொழுது எங்களுக்கு ஊடகத்தின் வாயிலாக கிடைக்கப்பட்ட தகவலின் அடிப்படையில் அந்த மின்சார விளக்குகள் அணைந்ததாகவும் மின் விளக்குகள் அணைந்ததாகவும் அப்பொழுது ஏற்பட்ட தள்ளுமுள்ளின் காரணமாக எவ்வளவு பேர் அந்த கூட்ட நெரிசலில் சிக்கி அதனால் உயிரிழப்பு ஏற்பட்டதாகவும் தகவல் கிடைத்திருக்கின்றன. இது செய்தியெல்லாம் வந்திருக்குது, எல்லா ஊடகத்திலையும் பத்திரிகை வந்த செய்தி. அதோட ஈவிகே கூட்டம் அறிவிக்கப்பட்டு இந்த கூட்டம் நடைபெறுகின்ற பொழுதே முன்னெச்சரிக்கை நடவடிக்கை எடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறார்கள். அந்த 4 கூட்டத்திலும் எப்படி மக்கள் கலந்து கொள்கிறார்கள், எப்படிப்பட்ட நிலைமை என்பதையெல்லாம் ஆய்வு செய்து அதற்கு ஏற்றவாறு முழுமையான பாதுகாப்பு கொடுத்திருக்க வேண்டும் அரசாங்கம், காவல்துறை.
Let us wait for the enquiry. First of all, we are with the people, and it may be we will be sensible than sensational. First, let them all recover, then we will see.
இந்த சம்பவம் நடந்து உடனடியாக முதலமைச்சர் அவர்கள் மாவட்ட ஆட்சித்தலைவர் அவர்களுக்கும் மாவட்ட காவல்துறை உயர் அதிகாரிகளுக்கும் எனக்கும் தொடர்பு கொண்டு உத்தரவிட்டு உடனடியாக மருத்துவமனைக்கு நேரில் சென்று கூடுதல் மருத்துவர்களை வரவழைத்து உடனடியாக அவர்களுக்கு தகுந்த சிகிச்சை அளிக்க வேண்டும் என்று முதலமைச்சர்கள் உத்தரவுகளை வழங்கினார்கள். 2 பேர் 46 பேர் தனியார் மருத்துவமனையில் 12 பேர் மாவட்ட மருத்துவக் கல்லூரி மருத்துவமனையில் சிகிச்சை பெற்று வருகிறார்கள்.
Well, the DMK ruling party there showing its proactiveness by reaching Karur. The Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister both are in Karur today, and that was Senthil Balaji just a while ago, the man in charge of Karur, DMK leader, ex-minister, talking about this tragedy. And Edappadi Palanisamy, the AIDMK General Secretary, the leader of opposition in Tamil Nadu, has raised some very important questions, blaming both the TVK and the DMK for this tragedy, saying that adequate arrangements were not made by either of these people to ensure the safety of those who attended the rally. BJP meanwhile, Tamilisai Soundararajan has also reacted to this, saying that politicization of this incident should not happen. In fact, at the center of this is the tragedy that needs to be highlighted. My colleague Rituraj, who is on her way to Karur, joins us now with details. Ritu, what are you hearing with regard to this tragedy? Because the police presence at Vijay's residence has been fortified. DMK has put on this projection that it is extremely proactive. The Chief Minister is already in Karur today, and they have called it a heartbreaking tragedy. But of course, there's going to be politics that will play out. But what are we hearing about this tragedy? What really led to this?
Well, you see, it's quite heartbreaking what really happened in Karur, where you see, we have seen how that the fandom really works in the South India when it comes to any star for that matter. We have seen this multiple times, and especially when we talk about the Tamil Nadu politics, it's quite different than any other states as well. Now, that's the reason you see when the Vijay, in fact, who was supposed to reach around in the afternoon, he happens to reach the spot very late, around 7:30. Now, that's something that as per the officials had led this public, in the huge number, because they were waiting for quite a really long time throughout the day with no proper water and the food facility. Now this becomes clear because we did see how the Vijay on the stage itself, on the basically from the vehicle, that he was seen throwing water bottles to the public as well, and appreciating the police as well for controlling that. But the key point over here, what is that really going to raise over here is that point number one, that how come the organizers from his own party were not aware that if it is about the 10,000 people permission that they had taken, if there was a more number of people, they really had a longer time before even Vijay arrived to the spot. They could have really done a lot as well on those lines, but that really was not seen on the ground. Now that's the reason that has something really costed huge to the public, because we have seen many lives that have got claimed now on those lines. And top of that, the Vijay not coming out and meeting at the hospital, or the victims' family members for that matter, has again raised the questions as well. But however, on the government side, we do understand that one-man commission has been formed. Now, what really officials are stating is that what is going to happen during the investigation, the facts and figures that are going to come out in this particular inquiry will remain to be very crucial and important to understand. Now, whether or that in the inquiry there would also be the angles, various angles that would get probed as well, and one of it also would be that whether the Vijay's party organizers in fact did contact the police to tell them something about that public swelling in huge numbers. Did the cops neglect it, or for that matter the cops did inform the Vijay's party as well about it, that this might really go the other way around, an unimaginable way as well, but they did really neglect this particular point. See, all this will really come into the various angles that are going to get probed in this particular matter now. However, the politics continues in this matter, where we did see that the Education Minister of the Tamil Nadu being in the tears and coming out to say that what really has happened is quite sad incident as well. You have the CM saying that he really does not want to make a lot of comments on it. What really happens to be important for him is to understand right now what's happening on the spot and how it can be controlled.